Na próxima low, sempre tamo na função. Grave no talo, já vou pro peão. Ghost já me trouxe o beat, elemente pesado tocando no som. Já liguei pro Rafão.
Hello, I'm Dupronex. Here is a new bounty. The name of Shoku Shop. Actually, Shoku Shop is the course of the launch and but full. So join our token sale and download our roadmap. So here is Shoku token and features roadmap token again. So Shoku token sale and ending. So I think you can launchpad next week. So I think launchpad the project from the roadmap. So March 2021 the pre-launch marketing company development. So I think it will be also the good the Shop platform in 2020 May 2021. So I think 2021 June add the user flash loan and both of ETS and BSC network. So I think now ETS and BSC network is not be available from here. So I think SocoSwap is the BSC, and after the June the launch of ETS and BSC network. And question is and the launch for question 2020 on the launch starting time. So features the features easy to easy flash loan and sell. Not only everything is features, but it will make it easier, and they will be set up available from this exchanger, not just trader from the like owner the grab and sword box. So check its token store. The unsure is validated for token and him, and they are listing for exchanger and liquidity from the member. So smart making information DCR token. Two network, one exchanger. That's two network and one exchanger is SocoSwap. You can make the trader Ethereum network and Binance Smart Chain. Ethereum is decentralized network and world blockchain, and here is network for the easier. So I think it will be with the trader and fish Binance definition. Watch crypto classical and also SocoSwap live one shot and chart on KYC privacy decentralized and the customer overview identify there is no. So tokenomic that Shoko the short name is SOKO, the blockchain BSC and symbol the SOKU, and type of BP20 and soft cap the 6000 and price 0.05 and 0.07 launch by May 15. The total supply and token the sale of the one, and purchase method is only BNB. If you want to the BNB now you can buy this token, and they are tokenized in liquidity pool token unlock and 5% trading of free and the lock and 30 days. So token distribute 20% reward and advisor 4% and promotion for 8% bounty 3% team pin 3% public sale 50% 50% allocated of fund the operation 15% legal communication 15 education program day and also development for day and making development at 20%. So core eye of team, it's a very important part of our team. The SocoSwap is core of team is hard working for this project everyone, and CEO and head of operation and head of marketing and also be boxing and also be community manager, and they are advisor and free of advisor. So I think SocoSwap is the best platform for this crypto market. So I think you can get and buy this token. I'm sure you can get a more profit. So thanks for watching.